Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I did a little shopping, picked up a few things, and I wanted to share them with you. I got my first outfit on, and unfortunately it is not a success. All right, so first up is this knit crop halter tank that I got from Stitch Fix. It's by Vera Moda, and the retail price was $50. This is 50% viscose, 26% polyester, and then the rest in nylon. It's soft, but it's quite thick, so for the summer months, it won't work. I am wearing my Soma Racerback bra with this. Now, this is an amazing bra. If you don't have it already, it can work with a lot of halters, but as you see, it cannot work with this one. This one is just definitely too narrow and cut in, and for whatever reason, it's covering up this side pretty well, but not this one. And I tried to pull it back and whatever, but it just doesn't work, all right? So that alone, because of that, I would probably return it because I don't like wearing strapless bras. The second thing I return it is that it's really cropped, all right? So I'll stand back and you can see, I'm only 5'2", and a lot of crop tops do work for me. A lot of crop tops I put on, and I think they're like a normal size. They're coming down to my hips. I'm like, this is great. It fits me. Yeah, this is too cropped for me. I don't have any desire to show my belly like this. I don't feel confident in my body enough to do that. Moreover, it is very snug fitting. I got my usual extra small, and I would say this runs more of like a junior's extra small, or maybe someone who's not as busty as I am. So the tank alone, it just has to go back. With it, I paired a pair of cargos that I purchased from Bloomingdale's. I got them on sale for 25% off. These are the Sanctuary Pop Cargo Trouser. Modern Fresh of Sanctuary's 1997 iconic cargo. Limited edition drop inspired by their original cargo. This is a size extra small, and they're just way too big. I wanted a loose, slouchy, wide leg cargo. And these look great, but they're like falling off of me too big. I mean, this is the waist, and because of that, it has all this extra fabric here, and that is just not attractive. It's like I have a smile here in my crotch. So no, the pants are going back. I think I ended up paying $111 for them. I believe the retail price is $139, but I did get them on sale. So yeah, first outfit fail, and both will be going back. Oh, I'll show you a little bit about the pants. They do have the slash pockets here on the side, the pockets here, the cargo pockets. It does have a bit of an adjustable waist. I guess I could pull it in so it doesn't fall down. Actually, I didn't think of that. How does that look? Does that look any better? I didn't think about it. They do have the adjustable tabs right here. And then I have all these things hanging. No, I don't think so. I do have a pair of Olive Level 99 joggers. They're much more fitted and streamlined, but I just don't think that these are for me. I think they're a little bit too big and a little bit too long as well, too. So I have on my platform Dolce Vita, which are in a new color. They're like one of the highest heels I have, but comfortable because they are a platform, and even still, these are pretty much dragging on the ground. So I'm gonna have to trudge up to Bloomingdale's and return these. All right, give me a minute. I have one more thing to style. Okay, so the next item I have for you is a White House Black Market jacket. There's some history that goes with this jacket. So I actually saw this jacket, or the just slightly different version of it, last year. The color is called Sepia, S-E-P-I-A. If you Google it, it's kind of like they give you the idea of the old black and white images, and I really like the color. It's like a brown, but it does have a tinge of green kind of to it. And I compared it to my olive green colors. It's nothing compared to olive green. So if you're worried, oh, it looks like another olive green jacket in here, it doesn't. It definitely looks brown, but there's a hint of green to it. And I looked in my closet, and I made sure I didn't have any brown jackets, and I don't. I have a brown plaid jacket from Liverpool, but that's like specifically a fall winter jacket, whereas this one is like all seasons. And the other jackets I have are all tan and camel. I don't have anything like a solid brown. So the fact that I had my eye on this last year and didn't get it, and the fact that I don't have anything in my closet like it, and the fact that I really like the way that this fits me, I think this is going to be a keeper. Plus, I did get it on sale. It was still quite pricey. I believe the retail price, I want to say, was $175. And I got it on sale, 25% off, plus I had rewards, so I think I got it for $126, which I still think is very pricey. But I really do like this jacket, and I did pass it up last year. Now, coincidentally, I got this jacket when I was shopping last weekend with Theresa Renee. Well, actually, I didn't get the jacket with her. She was egging me on and saying it looked great and I should get it. And I'm like, oh, it's $126 to wear. And I really don't need more jackets. My closet for third layers is stuffed. I mean, really, I need nothing in my wardrobe. But then I went home and I was thinking about it and I kept looking at it. And I was thinking about it. I was thinking about how it sold out on me last year because I wanted it. It was very similar to the one last year. I can't remember the exact details of the other one from last year, but it was definitely sepia. And I'll back up so you can see the jacket. So I have it buttoned up. And typically I don't wear my jackets buttoned up, but I wanted to show you what it would look like buttoned up. So it's like a fitted waist and it has a peplum bottom that goes all the way around. And that kind of, I like anything that defines my waist because I'm kind of a boxier shape. I don't have much of a waist to begin with. So I'm going to open it up because this is the way I would wear it. I ended up getting this in a size 2. I'm usually a 2 petite jackets and they didn't have a 2 petite. This has a lot of stretch to it. I originally signed on the size 0, but the saleswoman and Theresa said the 2 looked better, and I have to agree. The 0 was just way too small and snug for me. The 2 looked better, but I would say this fits like a 2 petite versus a 2 regular, all right? So I'm thinking if you're in between sizes on this one, despite the fact that it's super stretchy, I mean, it is really stretchy, and it's a nice thin material. I would size up, to be honest with you. Especially if you want to button it. All right. Now I'm going to keep it open just because I rarely button my jackets, but I really like this jacket. It's like a, it's the, what do you call, double layered style. Well, what's blanking here? I forget the name of it, but you know what I mean. And it has faux pockets here, faux flat pockets, and it has that really cute peplum style. So, it has the roll tab sleeves, which I know many of you don't like, but I'm a shorty and I'll be rolling them anyway, so I kind of like this. It helps them stay up. And yeah, I mean, I like this jacket and I'm going to be keeping it. And you can also unroll the sleeves if you so desire, and it's almost like a full length sleeve on me. And again, I'm fine with that. So if I do want to wear this in the winter, I could put a blouse on and like just cuff up the blouse or push up the blouse sleeves. And yeah, I like this jacket. This jacket is staying with me. I missed out on it last year. And those are my purchases that I did in the last, week or so. And other than my Wantable box, I don't have anything else coming. I still haven't decided on my Stitch Fix. Those pants are sitting there on my sofa, either waiting to go back in the bag or go into my closet. Once I get my Wantable, I'll know for sure what I'm going to be doing with them. Alrighty, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. And take care until next time.